All right, here's how you add 3/16 and 1/2. It's fairly easy. What we really need to do is get the denominators here to be the same, because then we can just add the numerators and we're done. Probably the best way to do it is we have 16 here and 2 here. 2 times 8, that would give us 16. And we have to multiply the numerator here by 8 as well, because 8 over 8 is 1. So we're just multiplying by 1. It doesn't change the value, just the way it looks. So we have our 3/16 here, plus 1 times 8 is 8, and 2 times 8 is 16. 8/16, that's 1/2. Just now we have the same denominators. We're going to add those numerators. 3 plus 8 is 11, and then we just keep the 16 the same. So 3/16 plus 1/2 is 11/16. And a good way to think about this is if you're doing, say, a measurement here, each block here is 1/16. So we could just take, we have 3 out of 16. So 1, 2, 3, 3/16, and then now we have 8/16 here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's our 11/16. That's it. This is Dr. B. Thanks for watching.